Okay, let's take a look at this Euro USD. So let's pick the first one there, H4 time frame, Euro USD. Um, the trade is triggered now, so we can't see the outcome just yet. But let's jump to the next one, USD CHF, still H4 time frame. We're doing the H4 time frames first, and boom, that one is on and is currently in profit on that one. Um, the next one, USD card, that hasn't been triggered yet, so price needs to come back down for it to be triggered. So no trade on that. AUD USD, what's that like? AUD USD, boom, price has gone up and is currently at let's see how many pips up now, 27 pips. Stop loss could have been 29 if you went for that low there. If you went for that low, it is about 50. But if you went for that low now, you're already up almost 1 to 1. That's AUD USD. Then let's find NZD USD. Boom, that one is a clean trade. Um, so that's on a buy now. If you went for this one here, 24, you're already over 1 to 1. If you went for that one, you're still in profit, as it were. So nicely done. GBP AUD, GBP AUD. What's that like? So that's meant to be a down trade, but it's not filled in yet, so not in the trade. Euro AUD, boom, sell, boom. That's a perfect textbook entry. So stop loss 38 or 55, but right now you're either way you're more than 1 to 1. If it's 30, if it's 38, you went for. Then you're over 1.1 to 1.5. Then GBP NZD, what's that like? That's not an entry just yet, so the price is there. Price needs to come down and fill it in. So quite a few in profit right now. And AUD JPY, let's see what that is like. Boom, AUD JPY looking really good as well. So we went for that 27 or 70. With 27, you're already almost 1 to 1. So nicely done. Nicely done on the 1 hour time frame. Euro USD, on the 1 hour time frame. On the H4 time frame, it still is probably 1 or 2 pips down. But on the H1 time frame, was it like? It's not yet filled in. Is now that it's gonna be filled in on that trade. So you're not getting in on that trade, and that would have been 25. And you went for 25, so you're looking to get to this level here. Euro JPY, how's that look? It's not yet an entry yet, so you're out of that trade just now. And USD CHF, I think that one was a good trade. So let's see how that looks here. So here is the trade is just getting in right now. As it were, USD CHF. So not too bad. All reds, which means there is a bearish there is strong bearish bias on this one. So I like to trade on just the H1, H1, H4, B1. I don't tend to trade on the smaller time frames. But let's see M30 for USD JPY. M30 for USD JPY. You see, it's ranging on all time frames. D1, H4, H1, M30. What's it like? Okay, so that's giving us a potential. If price comes back up here, then we'll be on a bullish move on that one. And then M15 on Euro USD, which is against the prevailing trend. M15 is against the prevailing trend, but you can see it's set up, but again, price needs to come down before you're fielding on that trade. So that's how it's performing. That's why this is a powerful indicator, as it were. to just know what price is doing based on the 5TT wave strategy. GBP JPY for the daily time frame. Daily. So that will end today as not a valid trade. No, what did I do? GBP weekly, not daily. I missed that. It's weekly. Okay, so again, price needs to come down to fill you in. And Euro JPY weekly. What's that like? Okay, similar as well. So price needs to come down first before you can get filled in on that trade. So that's not too bad. GBP card on the daily. GBP card on the daily. Boom. Daily. Oh, that's gone up. So we have to wait for that to come down before we can actually take advantage of that. So again, that's the ones on the H4 time frame. You'll be making some money on those right now. Okay, that's it. Because the review was meant to be a quick one.